In the question 2, solve the system or linear equation below by the Gauss elimination method. Okay, if you still keep the okay, later I give you this one. The Gauss elimination method. I think this question is the same. Yeah. Okay, this is the question. Okay, this system, they want you to solve it using Gauss elimination method. Okay, the template that I gave to you, given any question, you just change here. This is your matrix A, this is your vector B. And everything will be automatically out. You just need to change the matrix A, vector B. For Gauss elimination method, the method is the template is ready, but for Gauss elimination with pivoting cannot, because sometimes you need to swap this, swap that, so you cannot make it as a general. So for Gauss elimination, you no need to swap anything, swap any row to make sure magnitude A11 is the maximum before you reduce A21 or A22 become 0. And then when you want to eliminate A32 to 0, you also no need to make sure magnitude A22 is a maximum. Okay, you can straight away go to your step 1, where you eliminate this cell A21 become 0 using the row operation, which is negative A21 divide A11, and then multiply row 1 plus row 2, put into the new row 2. Okay, so this is the question, the new question you put here. So row 1, there's no changes, you copy it down, and then this is a formula. A21, A11, this is a constant value, because if you key in into your calculator, you will key in negative, A21 is 2, negative 2 over 5. I mean, if you use calculator, this one is constant. No 1, then you have a negative, A21 is 2, so 2 divide 5, where row 1 you represent using A, row 1 you represent using A, row 2 you represent using B. Then you calculate. So when you in column 1, A is a row 1, which is 5, B is a row 2, which is 2. Then you get 0. Then if you use calculator, this is A, this is B. When you change this one, row 1 to A, this is to B. And this is when you see, you key in the calculator, constant, right? Negative 2 over 5. And then to make it template, so that you just change the matrix A, vector B, the answer is automatically out. For constant, you see how we put the constant? So negative, so that you just click A2, this cell, A21 divide A11, and then you put a dollar in front of the column label and at the back of the column label. So this will become constant. Why we need to make it constant? And then time row 1. So this is a row 1, this is a row 2. Click row 1 and row 2. Why we need to make it constant? So that when you copy it, it will stay. Constant here remain constant. If you don't make constant, when you copy it, initially column B will become column C, so and so on. So the same thing, step 2 here also formula already. Negative A31, make it constant. This cell, divide A11, multiply row 1 times row 2. Already formula. Already formula. So you just key in the matrix A and the vector B. Step 1, 2 automatically out. Step 3 is reduce, reduce the A32, this one, A32 becomes 0 using the row operation, negative A32 divide A22 to the latest system, multiply row 2 plus row 3, put into the row 3. See also, from A32 here, and then constant it, divide A22 times row 2, this is the latest row 2, plus row 3. copy it down. Okay, and lastly, this one is also, okay, we put it as formula in general so that it will be automatically out. So this is about the Gauss elimination method.